With their hopes flying high for finding a family holiday home in Fuerteventura, Andrea and Gavin arrive at their first viewing in Antigua Bay, a residential community in Costa de Antigua.
It's not a bad view, no, not at all. Yeah, it's lovely.
And what the owner did is put a new kitchen in there. The only thing you have to add in there is an oven. Decent sized kitchen space for the property, you know.
I like this little mini bar area here too.
It'd be fine for our family.
Perfect for that.
For visitors, maybe not so much.
The key thing is when you're trying to find space, for me, it's about lifting everything off the floor.
Putting the television up on the wall kind of thing.
And then of course just out here, that's where you've got your balcony. I mean, you can feel the breeze coming all the way through as well.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's lovely.
Nice.
Yeah, that's actually lovely too, yeah. Nice view over there too in the evening.
Get on well with the curry house, they can just pass stuff upstairs, he says.
Get one of those dumbwaiter things.
Exactly. But even from here, you know, just looking down the road there, you've got a little bit more of the sea down there as well. And again, you know, in front of us, these have been, you know, kind of recently sold, you know, over time. If you did have a car, you know, you can just put it in the space and go from there. And because it's a corner, you've actually got the benefit of window in the lounge and window in the bathroom.